A police team, while conducting foot patrol within the Riverton community, Riverton of course being one of our top hotspots within St. Andrews South, a area that is plagued by gang violence. Whilst conducting such patrol earlier this evening, police team came under gunfire. Shootout ensued between themselves and a group of men. When the shooting subsided, they came upon two men clutching separate firearms. They were assisted to Kingston Public Hospital, where both men were pronounced dead. No member of the police party was injured during this encounter. Currently, the scene is being examined and being dealt with by members of the St. Andrews South CIB, still awaiting Indicom and the other individuals to complete this process. But again, this encounter here in Riverton highlight the gruesome nature of the work that we do within these hotspots within St. Andrews South, and if I may say across the island, where brazen individuals armed with firearms are willing not just to take the lives of innocent Jamaicans, but to take on members of the security force. I want to use the opportunity to appeal to the Blingers gang, to appeal to the Blue Window gangs operating here in the Riverton community, to take the opportunity. The wanted men, the Marquis, and all the others inside here who are wanted, want to use the opportunity to call on them to turn themselves in. Come with a pastor, come with your lawyers, come with a teacher, come with a family member, a justice of the peace. Find somebody and turn yourself into the police. One thing is sure is that we will not relent until we restore order to this community and to all the communities across this police division. We are appealing to you. Do not take on the police officers. Do not engage the police officers. We ask of you to surrender yourselves, turn in the guns, and walk away from a life of criminal activities. As at this moment, both of them are unidentified. Whilst we would have picked up along the way the possible full true identity of at least one of them, we still await the necessary identification to be done. The team is on the ground as we speak, seeking to locate family members and others who may be able to assist us in their full identity and to aid the investigators as they carry out same.